What is going on, everyone? Welcome to not only today's charting session, we also have a YouTube video on how I made $20,000 today and probably won't see any of it. Now, let's bring up the P&L on Ninja. All right, so as you can see, 3K per Tradeify account, 1K on my Elite account, and 3K on the Alpha Advanced, right? Now, realistically, if you think about it like this, Tradeify 20% consistency rule. My account balance has to be 16K to take a payout. That means I have to do this exact day 5 more times. Elite account just took a payout on it. $2,250 just took that. So I have another, I think it is 9 more days of over $500 profit. So, who knows what I'll do in the next 3 weeks with 9 more days of over $500. And then this alpha account will probably see the payout realistically. I will be disciplined on this alpha account. And if not, I will have more Tradeifys lined up after this. I just decided on today's trade after my small crash out yesterday due to the Tradeify support team and all of that stuff and also just bad psych in general. We were like 2 points away from passing max allo on a top step, and then it went back to break even. Ended up losing those accounts, and then while I was waiting for Tradeify support to get back to me, I blew my set of, well, I thought I blew them. I hit max daily loss, but brought it all back plus more. So we're gonna just see. I have a backup set, so let's go over the trade that I took today, right? So it was this 30-second IFEG. If you have been here a while, you know that this is the exact setup that we've been taking, looking at, studying, right? So we had our 930 manipulation lower, right? Taking out some of our internal lows. And basically, that's going to be our Judas swing, right? And then if you look at this, sorry, I have ES up on the other screen. We had an SMT at this low right here. All right, so we sweeped all these internal lows, and then we also got a push higher, right? So we flipped to bullish order flow, inversing this 5-minute fair value gap, wherever it is. We inversed this 5-minute fair value gap, tapped into it, then back on the 30-second. Bro, I hate fucking charting and trading you like that, right? We had a strong candle body closure above this 30-second, entered longs with 2 contracts, just targeting $1,000. Now, the idea was okay, so I'm pretty much already beat on these accounts, as well as I need 3,000 to pass the alpha account, right? So I said, okay, let me just 3x my risk on the copy trader, and then we'll just see what happens. So we got a really good closure there. I was in on 2 minis on the elite account, and I was in on 6 minis on the Tradeify and the alpha. Right, so our TP was like $1,000, and then we had a little bit of delay, and then a rocket ship up. Yes, what's up, Pinda? Yeah, I was getting to it. Let's see. Where? Pinda, can you just DM me one more time? Just say like hi. What's the size of your elite account? It is a 150K. I didn't take the 5. Yeah, it's not my model anymore. Yeah, Kansas Nest, can you DM me as well? And then, so I didn't even look at PM because I didn't. Oh, sorry, I already traded my TikTok live account. So we can actually bring up the recording now. Just gonna do loads. Is entering on 30-second IFG not risky? No. So this is the real-time playback. We got our flip. Tap into the 5 right here. Then our strong candle body closure. Beautiful fill. Disgusting fill. And then right here, I pretty much knew it was golden. I was like, all right, like, I'd be willing to bet we could like move our stop loss to break even here soon. What backtest your strat? How many trades you think I should get in? I don't know. I mean, just really stick to one a day. How often you go break even on one-to-ones? When it's really close to TP. For this, I wasn't even really waiting for like this internal high. Low key, I probably would have been break even off of this resweep. That's usually what I do. Yeah, but they're really not that good. But the elite end of day accounts, that's what I use. Dude, I fuck with them. The only thing is that 23% consistency drawdown thing, but I made $2,300, so my winning day is basically $500. Well, fucking Joey and Kevin are yelling. All right, I don't know. Yo, can you guys keep it the fuck down? I'm filming a YouTube video. Can you guys stop screaming at each other? I'm filming a YouTube video. Fuck. Kevin Branch wants me to do content and he's out there fucking yelling with Joey. Yeah, Kansas, I'll give you roles to post all that shit in my Discord. Oh, now Kevin's bitching. He's bringing 30 people over at 1 in the morning. Sorry, buddy. I don't bring fucking 30 people over when you're in a meeting. All right, let's see. Pinned did not say hi, but could you make a video on when you wouldn't take a trade? I know there's scenarios where you might think, nah. Recently, what the conditions have just been like, if we have like a lack of displacement, then that's really what more so like what I'm not looking for. Like, we had a very similar setup to this yesterday, and it failed. All right, so if we go to what yesterday, like we had this internal high like right here, and we had like really bad displacement through this 30-second up here. Right, like you kind of see the difference. Like this shit is ass. This shit is like basically low resistance liquidity. Right, and then with something like today's trade, really good displacement. Is it the one for 65? No, that doesn't get you access to live trading. That just gets you access to charting session. Yeah. It's not like you're fucking it's gonna charge your card for the rest of your life, dude. All right, did anybody take anything in PM? I think it's actually a bit more than 8.5. Dude, we low-key just accumulated after this like 1037 run up. Swept, swept, swept. You guys are hilarious. Okay. I mean, are you guys good? Excuse me. Yeah, PM looks ass. So, what would you consider an A plus setup? Equal highs above and really good displacement. Everything else is kind of just like this having a 5 minute getting inverse. That's more so A plus. Like the other day during PM, I took a trade that was just off of equal highs and an inversion. Like this. Do you want the move to bounce up a key level? It doesn't matter. As long as there's displacement and an inverse. Yeah, it's the easiest thing in the world. As long as there's equal highs or equal lows, then you're good. Dude, I'm gonna trade tomorrow. I don't know why everyone's like there. It doesn't say fucking bank holiday on Forex Factory. What can I get in the $85 a month? Dude, what won't you get in the $85 a month? How is there 9:45 PMI if it closes at 9:15? Interesting. Okay, well, I'm gonna end this recording. This is also a YouTube video, so so if you guys want to join the Discord, link is going to be down below. Appreciate you guys all for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the Discord. Peace.